Hello everyone. Welcome to EduVision. We use advanced computer vision to solve real problems in education. Today, we're excited to introduce our facial recognition system that will revolutionize attendance management.
Managing attendance in schools is a big challenge. Traditional methods like roll calls, QR codes, and codes are slow, inaccurate, and can be cheated with proxy logging. They waste valuable lecture time and disrupt teaching. Different systems also make it harder for students and staff, creating extra work. Clearly, current solutions don't meet the needs of modern education. EduVision offers a fully automated attendance system using advanced facial recognition. Our system stops misuse by accurately identifying everyone, eliminating proxy logging, and keeping records correct. Fits seamlessly into classrooms without disrupting lectures, so teaching continues smoothly. Protects privacy by encoding photos without keeping personal information, following GDPR rules. With EduVision, schools can improve efficiency, track attendance reliably, and provide a smooth experience for teachers and students.
Introducing EduVision, powered by Nvidia Jetson. Our system uses advanced facial recognition to log attendance in real time. In trials, EduVision worked great in real auditoriums, capturing faces and marking attendance without disrupting lectures. Key features: stable and consistent performance, easy setup and quick deployment, customizable interface, self-renewing dataset for long-term reliability. EduVision is a hassle-free, accurate, and efficient attendance solution.
The global education technology market will reach $377 billion by 2028. In Lithuania, there are 35 universities with over 100,000 students. Across Europe, 5,565 universities serve 18.8 million students. Worldwide, over 30,000 universities have 250 million students. Schools are looking for modern tools to improve operations, so there's a big market opportunity for EduVision. By targeting universities, schools, and training programs, we can capture a significant share of this growing market.
EduVision uses a flexible software as a service (SaaS) model. Each room gets an Nvidia Jetson device costing $300, $250 for the device, $50 for setup. We offer it at $500 per room, making $200 profit per unit. For a university with 100 rooms, that's a $20,000 profit. With just 10 universities, we can make a $200,000 profit. Our affordable pricing has tiered plans for all sizes. We also offer add-ons like advanced analytics and integration services, creating more revenue streams. EduVision is open to custom deals and partnerships for scalability and growth.
There are other attendance systems like fingerprint scanners, RFID, and QR codes, but EduVision's facial recognition offers better accuracy, efficiency, and privacy. Contactless and non-intrusive, unlike fingerprint and RFID, no physical interaction is needed, making it faster and more convenient. Prevents proxy logging. Compared to QR codes, it keeps attendance records accurate. GDPR compliant, we handle data securely, ensuring privacy. We encode and store face images securely, protecting personal information and complying with data protection regulations by improving reliability and streamlining the attendance process. EduVision is the best choice for modern schools.
EduVision was created by 3 AI system students, Ilking Mamadli, Yigithan Kari Ilmas, and Sabuhi Agave. Our expertise in artificial intelligence and commitment to innovation drive us to solve real challenges in education.
EduVision isn't just an attendance system, it's a breakthrough in educational technology. By leveraging advanced AI, we're freeing teachers from administrative tasks and enhancing the security and accuracy of attendance tracking. Imagine classrooms where educators can fully engage with students without interruptions. With EduVision, this vision becomes a reality today. Join us in revolutionizing education. Choose EduVision and lead the way to a smarter, more efficient learning environment. EduVision, smart solutions for modern classrooms. Thank you.